Welcome to another Get Ready Traders live session. I am your host, Luis Rodriguez, and I am excited you're here. Today we are doing live technical analysis and stepping right into the futures market. Whether it's NASDAQ, gold, US30, or even crypto, we will be looking for the best trading opportunities as they set up in real time. If this is your first time here, buckle up. The market moves really fast and we'll be breaking it all down with a clear, efficient approach in 90 minutes or less. Before we get started, do me a huge favor. Hit that like, subscribe, and share this session so other traders like you can join us. I really appreciate your support. All right, the markets are moving, familia, so let's get started and enjoy the session. Good morning, familia. Dear friend, your educator Luis Rodriguez. We are live on a Tuesday, familia. Tuesday, January the 6th. Today, it is an amazing day. We are going to look at the market. We're going to be looking at trading opportunities, and we're going to be scalping today. All right, familia? If you're new to the chat and you want to join our amazing Elliott Way group, our free VIP community, you see this thing at the bottom here? That barcode, you take it with your phone, you scan it, and it's going to take you to our WhatsApp group. And also the link is in the description of this broadcast. Also, please, if you're new or if you are joining us, remember to hit that like and subscribe button. That will help the YouTube algorithm to find more traders like you so they can join us and learn about this amazing world of trading. All right, familia. So let's get going. Before anything, I'm gonna execute our bot to see if it finds any trading opportunities right away. Yesterday found some, but today we're gonna see if there's anything available there. Okay. Anyways, what you guys see on the screen here, it is our setup from yesterday. Went pretty good. We were able to get out. No good opportunity so far. Okay. All right. Understood. We were able to get out pretty good yesterday. In and out. But I left it as it is because liquidity is still being sitting in the same spot for intraday traders. But if we want to turn on our indicator to show us the sessions, you guys can see that everything is stayed within the previous New York session. You see here, that was yesterday New York. So Asia stayed within the same area. London stayed within the same area. In other words, the market came for a hard stop, and it is consolidating, forming a triangle correction within this area, which is normal. That's totally fine. But it gave us a pretty good outlook of what's happening and understand how we can trade this area. So I'm going to turn this off. And again, we're doing it a little zigzag, okay? All the way from the top, bottom. Right? So we are in the B pattern, potentially, eventually, forming the C pattern. My thing is that right now he's doing a triangle. But we got to find out what kind of triangle. And it's actually a pretty dangerous one. Looks more, let me see. Is it a running flat? Okay, so going to the 5-minute time frame. I want to see more details. Definitely gonna delete this here. First of all, there's no major news events for the US dollar. We got 7:30 already had a AUD CPI, but nothing major. Okay, so and today is Tuesday. Tuesday, the market likes to trend a little bit. Hello, Wendy. Hello, Renee, my friend. What's up? Hello, Lisa. Good morning, everyone. All right, let me quickly look at this. Remember, familia, whatever you do, trade with the small contracts. Do not go crazy. We are still in the same waters as December. You guys are gonna see a lot of movement at the beginning of the day, and then slow movement, very tricky movement, and a lot of engineer moves. Okay, but we have to find a window of opportunity. That's how we're gonna trade, a window of opportunity. We just don't, and if we don't have to trade, it's fine. So basically, you have to set up a game plan, understand what the market is doing, and set up a game plan. If things work your way, if you see it happening your way, then you execute. If you don't see it, you don't trade it. Okay? I'm showing you guys what I'm gonna do on my own account. If you guys want to follow me, you guys can do it. Make money with me, amazing. But if you don't feel safe, you don't know what you're doing. If you don't know your contracts, if you don't know like what to do, just don't trade. Don't be forced to trade. You will have a very high probability that you will lose that trade if you don't know what you're doing. Okay? I'm telling you how many contracts I'm going to open it on my account. If it's 150k, 3 top 5 contracts. If it's a 50k and below for futures, 1 contract at a time. 1 contract or 2 contracts max. Like, don't overextend it. 2 contracts. If you want to take partials, 2 contracts. Okay, max. Because the market is gonna flow all over the place, and the market will repeat itself under the same position many times. Okay, always remember that. Always remember to trade on the extremes of the areas, not on the middle points of anything. Okay? So what I'm saying is, for example, if we are seeing that we are in a triangle here, huge triangle, right? So this is the top. Right now, this is the bottom, right? So if you do this with the Fibonacci tool, you take the top here, the highest point, and the lowest point, you see that you see this 50%? It's near the 50%, so you don't trade anything like that. Okay? On the bigger area. Now, if you go closer, because again, I'm taking the high from New York from yesterday. As I said, Asia and New York are inside. Asia and London are inside that range. It's ranging. But if you want to get more fresh data, and you take just Asia, highest and lower point, and you go here to here, you're still on the 50%. You see what I mean, Jelly Bean? So from yesterday, remember the analysis that we did yesterday. We understand if you started trading from here, liquidity sitting around here, liquidity sitting around here. When I'm saying liquidity, I'm saying stop losses. Okay? The market never came under any of these areas, so they are still pending orders here. Not so much here, because the market definitely moved a little bit higher. So investors are waiting for this to break it to the upside, right? Break it to the upside. This is still being tested several times. It's not broken, so they're not moving. So the next area probably could be around here. If we break this highest point, like if we break this here, if he breaks it, boom, that's gonna be the new floor. And they might move stop losses here if they see price evolve into that area, like on top of everything, and it's like all the way up there making, that's how they move it. But for now, they're secure here. They're just leaving their stop losses there. All right. The market is right now doing a triangle. All right. Easy breezy. Actually, it doesn't look like a triangle. Kind of want to, but that's what I'm here for. I'm trying to understand what kind of correction is doing, because it is truly not fully a triangle. It's doing more like a flat, but it has to be 3-3-3-5, right? So if it's a 3-point system, if it's a okay, if it's a flat that it's trying to do, that's what I think it's trying to do. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. If it's a triangle, you guys are gonna see. You see, the biggest problem is the fact that it did this lower low here, so it truly broke that structure. You wipe out everyone with this push to the downside. Everybody here, clear them all out, push back up. The behavior that this thing has right now is more of a flat correction, more than a triangle, which is super dangerous, honestly. I truly hate flats. So this is from yesterday. I'm gonna delete this. We got that, right? And again, I want to turn on the sessions here so you guys understand where we at, and I'm gonna turn off this a little bit. Okay, look at that. You see now, you can see it better. This is New York yesterday, this is Asia today. So this London came with a little bit of manipulation, so it came hard, clear everyone from New York, poof, push back up. Oh man, that is AMD's manipulation, market manipulation. So there might be distribution to the, yeah, there's gonna be some distribution. Some distribution is gonna happen today. I don't like this market today. I truly don't. There's gonna be distribution happening today, meaning that there will be some trending going on. Oh, these flat correction. This is terrible. Okay, familia. I'm gonna tell you one thing. I've seen these setups a million times. Okay? Be extremely careful. Be extremely careful. The market today will be very tricky, extremely tricky. So one contract at all times of any account size, one contract, no more than that. 150, 50, 75, whatever, one contract. Do not trade more than that. Okay? Let's observe the market more than thinking about execution. Okay? My setup from yesterday is still valid. As an intraday trader, I'm looking at the market more to the downside because of this type of correction, but anything can happen. Absolutely anything can happen. The points that you guys have to look and watch to be broken is the very top of New York from yesterday, okay? And the bottom of New York yesterday, okay? This here and this point here. That will give you the direction of the market. If it's a trending that we're trying to catch. So if it's a trend that we're trying to catch. If we want to trade as scalpers this entire area, we are only gonna trade the extremes. And when I say that, you guys see the extremes from Asia and London here. But think more about New York yesterday, because the market is still within the same area and it's going to break either or. What direction it's gonna take, I can't tell you that. I don't know. For the fundamentals, there's nothing really going on. There's no news, nothing major. Okay. For the technical aspect of the market right now, we are ranging. That's what I'm saying. We are in a consolidation in NAS, and the areas that we need to watch are yesterday previous sessions higher and lower point. So we are going to look at this very closely. We are not going to trade anything closer to 50% where we are right now. We're going to wait for the market to reach those higher numbers or lower numbers, see a reaction of it, and then we're going to trade it. We're going to go with the flow. Your best tools for doing this right now could be Bollinger Bands and or EMAs. The crossing of those EMAs will tell you where to go. Okay? A good EMA will be the 50, another one the 21, or even the 9 EMAs. Or simple moving averages is totally fine. But we gotta trade with the flow. Do not trade against it. So what I'm saying is counter trend trading, be careful. Counter trend trading, be careful. Elliott waves, you gotta be careful. Elliott wave is counter trend trading. We can count waves and be okay with it. Okay? We can count it and be okay, but not for scalping right now. We gotta look at the higher time frames. Just the fact that it's consolidating in this area, it looks like it's developing a flat correction. It could be a long one too. The areas we need to watch is New York previous session higher and lower point, not even Asia, because Asia right now, you see what really bugs me is the fact that London did this, went clear everybody out and push up. And when I say everybody out, I'm talking about New York previous session and Asia previous session. Went clear them out and push the market up. That's what I have to be careful with these setups, because now investors are trading this area here. Truly, they're just grinding this as the market keep pushing higher. My bias right now is to the upside, temporarily. At some point, aiming somewhere near this area here as part of the manipulation of the market. But the market could truly stay within the same area and then push to the downside. Remember, on the bigger TA for this, we are looking at a correction right now, and the correction says that we're working on a B pattern, and this B pattern is becoming a very big problem, because it is doing a flat. It is kind of doing a flat, not even a triangle. Seems to be a flat because it broke these areas here. I can take it from here probably. It's still being a triangle, but you see like it's just becoming a very extremely far triangle. It's weird. So 1, 2 here. Yeah, it could be 1, 2, 3. So because it's a triangle, it's a 3, 3, 3. So okay, let's say it is like this. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That will be the only thing that will save us on this triangle correction. If it does come a little bit lower, back to the previous day closing price, and then push back up, touching this top point here, and then come down again. And if that happens, because the flat correction could be 3, 3, could be 3, 3, 3, 5, then explosion. Ay, ay, ay. Give me a sec. Okay. All right. Sorry, I'm responding to something important here. In 15-minute time frame looks like a bull flag. It looks like a bull flag. Huh? It is. It is. As I said, think more about the structure that he's doing right here. It could be a continuation to this here. It is doing a correction on the very top here. It's not falling down. You see, this is the B pattern. It should come down at some point, but I'm counting this. This is what I'm seeing here. I want to show you. One. Not that one. No, 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 no. This is what I'm seeing here. Okay, this is what I'm seeing. 1, 2, 3. Right. And then another 1, 2, 3. This is what I'm seeing here right now. And then eventually 1, 2, 3. That pattern is what I'm seeing right now. Already did ABC here, and it is valid to me, very valid. So if I take this and I measure this to the top, to bottom, right at 78%, which is, to me, is good. So I'm just showing you what is doing internally to that triangle correction. That could be a flat, because the flat could be 3, 3, 5. It could be like the last one, could be extended, or it could be the opposite, which I don't see it here. So yeah, let's keep an eye on that. All we know, as I said to you guys, and I gave you my game plan, we got 7 minutes for the market to open, 8 minutes. I'm giving you on the analytical side for scalping, not intraday, not swing trading, scalping. But I have to think big to understand how everything inside is going to move. So external to internal. I'm working on the internal ones. All right, so we don't trade the 50%. We trade only the extremes of these triangle corrections. So we're gonna let the market flow when the market opens. I don't know what direction it's gonna take. Probably to the upside. And we're gonna go from there. Okay, familia? So you guys see it here, and I'm going from New York yesterday. So right now we're seeing, oh my god, my screen is just filled with so many lines. I know it drives me crazy. But I just want you guys to see it. That's what I'm drawing here. The less lines, the better. I want to delete this. Okay. I want to just keep it clean and simple. This is old stuff. I'm going to delete this. This is old. Okay. I think that's more than good enough for now. It's still valid what we did yesterday here. Everything else is just the bigger picture of NAS right now. So the 15 minutes. Could be. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Let's see. Remember, familia, all this stuff that we know about the market, like all these patterns, the strategies, everything else, it's coming from, tested systems that have been proven that works. It doesn't mean that the market is going to move 100% like that. But that's the only thing we got. Better than not having anything, right? But we have to understand what the market is giving us and doing. That's why when the market opens, we have to let the market flow, kind of tell us like really what's the intent of what it's doing, and then we just follow. When the market opens, there's going to be an explosion of transactions happening to the upside or the downside. A lot of traders like myself, we like that because we love to trade momentum with momentum, and then we go from there. But we need to understand that when that happens, the market also will respect higher time frames. At this point, it's sitting at the 50%. I have to be careful with where the market or how the market is going to behave when it opens, because it can go both ways. If you're trading a 50% market, at that point you're gambling. Literally, it's like casino right there. And you guys can see it here, like this little triangle is sitting right in the middle point, almost in the middle point. So what do? You just have to wait for the market to take off, go to the upside. I said it's bullish. It is a bullish market right now. It's probably gonna target here at the very top or the bottom. The bottom is still valid, but it respected this very well. If you guys are gonna do anything, consider buying the market. All right, so we got 4 minutes, and I am going to switch into my broker. 150k accounts. I'll be trading 3 contracts. That will be like 1 contract per 50k inside. Yeah, 3 contract stuff on the buying the market. I'll wait for the market to do a pullback into this area, buying target in this area here. If we decide to push down and break all this stuff, then we have a different scenario. Breaking this triangle and testing and grabbing all that liquidity, that will create a move to the upside for sure. But the inducement of price is telling me that this can be broken, aiming also to this, and then potentially heading back to the north. But for now, I just have to wait 3 minutes for the market to open. How's everybody doing? Everybody good? I'm not reading the chats. Remember, familia, please hit that like button. If you're new to the chat, hit that like button. Hit that like button. If you're not new to the chat too, hit that like button. Thank you for doing that, familia. I really appreciate your support. Moving to the upside right now, and this is 2 minutes before the market opens. My goodness. And there you go, familia. Like, it's gonna do another ABC, could go all the way up there, but when it goes up here, familia, I'm gonna be considering selling. How I'm gonna do this, how I'm gonna take this trade. Is it by the area, or is it by the momentum? So I'm gonna guide it by, you see this indicator here? It's gonna tell me when it's overbought or oversold. Actually, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna turn on the Nexus too, because that will tell me also when it, ooh, look at that, how many clouds. Oh my goodness, that's a big cloud here, exactly in the same neighborhood. Those are areas in every single time frame the market is overbought or oversold, and I'm gonna go by it. If you break this, if it is turn yellow, like breaking it, if turning yellow, buy it until it hit this here. Same thing for the bottom. If it turns yellow, breaking it, sell until and do trailing stop right away, like immediately. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Market opens. There you go. A lot of movement. Yikes. Going to the upside, going to the upside. I'm just gonna switch to the 1 minute time frame. I want to see more details here. There you go, familia. Oh, turning green. Anybody buying? Anybody buying? There you go. Keep buying, familia. Keep buying. It's turning green. Turning green. Turning green. It's gonna hit that M20, M30, exactly the point that we mentioned. Ay, ay, ay. Isn't that a beauty? But when it goes all the way up there, I'm gonna be selling the market. Remember what I said. I am buying the market right now. I am buying the market. Remember what I said. Okay. Trailing stop. Ooh. Buying the market, buying the market. But I got trailing stop. Got me out. Shoot me. Got me out. Got me out. Come on. Seriously? Alright. So selling the extremes, okay? Selling the extreme. On the very top here. And M20 will be selling. He literally came for me, get me out. That's okay. Don't cry for me, Argentina. Let's go. Anybody buying the market? There you go. There's a turning green. This thing is breaking the whole area. It's gonna keep pushing. Same for the bottom. If it turns yellow, it's gonna keep selling. But he wants to fall now. Not making much here. Just 180 bucks. So we went to London. I'm gonna turn this here. The sessions. You see when it tapped London in Asia, highest point. Oh man. Could be a tricky move. A lot of people probably selling right now, but just have to be careful. I'm waiting for an opportunity. I'm not selling right there. I'm selling on the top. If it does come there. If it doesn't come, hey, I'm good. If it doesn't come up there, I am good. It's finding a lot of rejection on that area. And it could be an engineer move to get a bunch of people, wipe them out, and then push down. So what I say, those are the tricks of the market. You gotta be careful, man. You have to be extremely careful with this market, I'm telling you. Extremely careful with this market. There you go, pushing back up. It's engaging a bunch of people to sell, then they're gonna whoop, kill them all down, and then finally come down. All you can do, familia, have a game plan for your trades. Understand what the market is doing, have a game plan, and execute it. If it happens, happen. If it doesn't happen, it's fine to stay cash. Familia, it's totally fine to stay cash. If you have the urge to trade, you better go to the casino. You're gambling. You don't have a game plan. You're just guessing. Honestly, all I do is wait. Is wait. And, you know, the move could be happening right now. like right now, and I'm missing out on that, and I'm fine with it. And if I miss out on that, I'm totally fine with it. Why do I have to rush into a trade that I don't believe in it? That I understand that could be a trick. Why do I need to rush into any of those trades? I don't have to trade for me. Look, it's pushing now to the downside. It found support, it found resistance there. I'm still waiting for my area to be touched. If it doesn't, I stay out. Renee made 130 bucks. I made $180 so far. All I think in my head is, if I'm doing Uber, if I'm delivering pizza, if I am, doing those side jobs, if I made $180 in a day, do I feel good about it? Yeah. So if I made $180 in 5 minutes, why would I feel bad about it? You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? So there you go, pushing up now. A lot of volatility, which I like, and I'm literally just waiting. I'm not taking any trades right now. Yesterday was a pretty awesome day, so today I'm just being really careful, and I'm not looking at candles. You see how sharp my charts are? I'm not looking at candles here. I'm literally just looking at price, the movement of the price. I'm not even looking at the colors. I'm not looking at any of that stuff. I don't care about it. I'm looking at areas. If you guys are paying attention to candles, the formation of candles and all that stuff, you guys are gonna go crazy. I'm telling you, you guys are gonna go crazy, especially in the lower time frames, like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. There you go, familia. It's coming to me. Finally listening. Finally listening. There you go. There you go. There you go. Go, go. And it's coming down like a tornado. It's coming down. It's coming down. It's going up. Sorry. And it's coming to me. That M20, M20, too small. Yeah, M20. M20. Respecting that quite a lot. Ah, come on. You are afraid of me. You are afraid of me. Well, you see this little cloud here? Ah, this is the scary part. Again, this is only the first 8 minutes of the day. So we still have a long way to go, my friends. A long way to go. A long way to go. Doesn't want to come to me, but it's totally fine. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, boy. He doesn't want to come down. Sorry, up. It's coming down. All right. I need to now switch my glasses because I am going to get the eye of the tiger right now. 1 second. I need to clear this second because the market, it wants to do something funny, and I need to see details here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna expand this a little bit. I want to see details now. Okay, you want to play dirty with me? You want to play dirty with me, don't you? Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah. Targeting this here. You're gonna have 2 targets right now. Here. Here. All right. So around this area, I'm gonna be buying too. Remember, we sell or buy on the extremes, okay? All right. My God. I wish I was 20 again, where my eyes were amazing. Okay, it's coming down. I'm waiting to execute a trade. I'm still waiting. Didn't come to me to the top. It's not coming to me at the bottom. And all I'm seeing, familia, remember what I said, I don't want to trade at 50%. So this is all I'm seeing here. You see this? It's still in the same neighborhood. You know what I mean, Jellybean? It's still in the same area. Like, and that's what I need to watch for, because if I'm trading at 50%, it means that it can go both ways. And I'm guessing at that point. So what are the extremes right now? Here. And I wanted to see the price coming all the way up there. It didn't. It actually respected the cloud here, which is good, familia. We got an amazing tool here. Thanks to our friend who collaborated to this a lot. I made a bigger improvement to the script that he created, adding a few more things to it, but it is a masterpiece. As a matter of fact, it's the other way around. I collaborated into his work because he created pretty much a very good script here, and I just made it a little bit better. But okay, is it gonna come or is it gonna go? It's in the 50% for me. Like, I gotta be careful. I just can't trade this craziness. It's still consolidating for me. If I jump into a trade and I wanna trade it only because I feel like it, then I'm guessing. You see, for me, like, you guys understand the difficulty of this trade? Like, you guys understand it, right? Like, you guys are seeing it, right? So why do? I step out. I'm literally just waiting for my setup. If it's not there, it's not there. Look at that. Pushing to the outside again. I'm telling you seen how bad this could be? And the only way to win on this type of days is to lower down your contract. Remember what I said at the beginning. The price is going to repeat itself on the same position many times. Many times. Even if you take a bad trade, now you could be in profits. if you have a very large contract, you won't be able to hold that on your account. It's gonna burn it before anything, or you're gonna hit a stop loss. As simple as that. There you go. It's coming to me. Yes. There you go. There you go. There you go. Come, come, come. Come to me. Yes, yes, yes. There you go. And now I am selling. And now I am selling. Let's see. That's a very strong push to the upside. I am doing a step lot, so I open 2 contracts. 2 contracts. And remember, the price could just wipe everybody out and then push to the downside. I am selling there. Wow, it's coming very aggressive actually. They are coming very aggressive. Wow. They broke it. Very aggressive. I am selling with 1 contract. Wow. Yikes, everything is just turning green. Yikes. Okay, well, just gotta wait. Wait. It's gonna clear everybody out of this. It might hit the M30 at the top. Wow. Yikes, that's fire. That is fire. One second, I'll be back for it. Hold on. right, back. That was a very strong push to the upside. Still pushing. Still pushing. Jesus, he got me in profits and then put me down again. Let's see. Very strong push to the upside. Wow. Buyers are going hard. So I said, today is the day that the market trends. It broke the structure. Everything just turned green. I am selling right now, which could be a bad trade, because he might just go to the edge of this. But the good thing is that I'm trading only with one contract. So this trade is going hard to the upside. Just waiting, familia, just waiting. It could be an engineer move. At some point, it got me a profit. I wasn't here. Somebody knocked at the door. I had to go and see who was. All right, it's coming back down. And again, I can't resist all that stuff because I'm only dealing with one contract. So. It's coming back down, 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 down. Come on, push. Looks like it's coming for a retest. Came down a little bit, but buyers are still dominating. Again, this is only the first 30 minutes of the market. We still have a long way to go the entire day. If the market decides to trend the entire day, that's totally fine. But I told you guys from the beginning, the market is going to repeat itself in the same spot several times, especially the daylight. If it's going to stay up there, it's probably going to do like a triangle correction, some sort of a correction, a flat correction, and then continuation to that. If it's too overbought, which is where it is right now, at some point it's gonna drop. How far can I resist this? If it breaks this area here, this triangle, then I'm out. I'll kick it out. Because it's probably gonna continue to the upside super far. Buyers are still dominating. Okay. They know it. They know it's extremely overbought right now. It is extremely overbought. What the market can do to you. It's funny because when I went away, I just saw the graph going way under my entry point. So it was dipping profits, and then it came back up, and then it's coming back into my entry. It's holding too hard. Let's wait for the 10 a.m. Move, because this could be a pretty bad move for this trade that I'm in, or it could reverse in the next 5 minutes. It's waiting. Is there any? No. Well, there's no news event. There's nothing major going on. All right. Let's see. I am also. Ooh. Okay. Oh wow. Our body's also taking so many trades right now. It's been super profitable right now. It looks like it wants to continue pushing to the upside. It's holding it. It should reverse at some point, but it's not. It's truly holding that position. It could go all the way up here and then fall. That was a drastic move here. Still holding it. I'll get out if you break this point here. It's still going to the upside, cranking it to the upside. My stop loss is above this higher point. One contract. Let's see. So if I turn on the sessions indicator, wow, that's still cranking to the upside. That's what I said about this session. So it broke the yellow line. It broke New York previous session. Oh man, it went straight into our X. But it broke it. It did not even close inside this session. I'm only holding it because it's like one contract. It's not hurting my account so badly. But I have my limits. If it doesn't fall, then I'm just gonna get out and take it out. That's totally fine. This could take the entire day for what I see here. You gotta trust your trade, and live with the results, win or lose. I'm like hanging there. I should be closing this transaction because I'm really not that crazy deep into a negative. Well, kind of. For one contract it is. It's a very long position actually. From here all the way up there. But it is close my stop loss. me hitting a stop loss. Wow, just can't believe my eyes. Why NASDAQ is moving like that today? I'm only holding the position because I'm trading one contract. But if not, I'm gonna be closing this very soon. Wow. That is brutal. Still moving to the upside. Wow. That is brutal. Okay. Oh, let's see. Making a sweet move now to the downside, but it's still. Buyers are in total control right now. Total control right now. Pretty dirty what he did down below. It actually went like an S and then pushed to the upside. Clear everybody out of the way and then push to the upside. Okay. And it went. I want to see a little bit more details here. Bull. I got in this trade around this point here. Around here. So all the way up there. Let's see, familia. It's coming back down. I'm holding that position like too much. I would have closed it long ago. But because it's one contract, I'm still holding. It's under my risk. It's okay. I know exactly what I'm risking per trade. But I'm just a little bit concerned that this thing is not dropping as it should drop. Not even for like a retest or anything. Buyers are still in control. And what it looks like to me, they're gonna go all the way up past this here. Okay. Okay. Do what you gotta do. I waited so long for this trade and then not reacting the way I want. I think I'm gonna be closing this trade because it could go to the upside even harder, so it's gonna be a deeper negative for me. Literally just went to the edge of this triangle and it's finding resistance there and it's just not doing what it's supposed to do. I have a feeling this thing is just gonna go wipe everybody out and then do the move to the downside. Like kill everybody out and then finally fall. It's engaging people here to sell, and then a lot of retail traders that are doing market execution, not even pending orders, putting their stop losses pending somewhere here, and they're gonna come wipe them out, push a little bit higher because they stop losses, and then finally fall down. Bad. So I think I'm gonna be closing this trade soon. Let's see. Push down. Okay. It's listening to me. You shall not pass. All right, come on. Push down. Push down. Come on. Push down. There you go. It's putting me back into literally like minus 200 bucks. There you go. Oh, come on. Buyers are now it's playing with my feelings. That's the beauty of trading with one contract. When you're trading with one contract, you can let the market flow and play your way. If I was trading a large, like a lot of contracts in here, I wouldn't be able to resist that at all. So I'm literally like breaking even based on what I earned earlier. I had $180 earlier, 184, and it's giving me like in and out of profit, not profit, breaking even, not breaking even. Like it's doing that to me right now. It looks like it wants to fall a little bit. Just finding a lot of resistance, a lot of support there. Might form a triangle, I don't know. Come on, push. Okay. I am it's a little bit in profit from what I earned earlier. I'm losing it still, $133. Now it's getting me in and out. Sucks. It's funny how buyers are in control of everything that is happening right now and not letting this thing play out. Well, it's playing out the way, oh my god, I am right now breaking even. And almost at entry. Almost at entry. There you go. Keep falling, keep falling, keep falling, keep falling. Okay. Let's see. I really wanna close this trade. But we held it for so long, and then it could be just doing a bear flag. Sorry, a bull flag right now. So what do you do on those, in these areas here? You do throw a line here. Just throw a line. I'm in the 5 minute. I'm gonna move to the 1 minute so you guys can see. Just throw a line like this. If you break that line, it's gonna do a continuation to the upside. All right, so I'm lowering it down. It might touch this thing here and then start doing a little channel to the downside. Okay. Oh boy. There you go. That is truly a bull flag. Oh man, I should have come down out of it there. I was in profit from what I earned earlier, but now I'm not. Yeah. This is a pretty bad bull flag. It's gonna break the highest point there. I had my opportunities to get out. Oh dear. Not a good day. Not every day is a winner. It's fine. Let's see. Buyers are in total control. Total control in my account. It is going into a negative. Buyers are in total control this morning. Total control, my friends. Total control. The only good thing about this is my trade is under control as well. I know my limits, but I could have played it out better under when it went down there. If it goes down there, I'll get up. If it goes back into this area here, I'm probably gonna get out and switch my hat. I could switch my hat up there, down there, and recover pretty quick. Just trying to read the market, what it's doing right now. It is truly still a bullish pattern. I'll be shocked if this thing just fall down like a hot potato, because it doesn't seem like it wants to do that. I think if it goes down here, I'll get out and play it around this area. I'll probably switch my hat if it goes down back into this area here. I'll get out, take a small stop loss, take a loss, and then buy here somewhere here. I'll buy here. If it goes back up from here, I'll be in profits. Oh man, come on. That's it. I think it might just continue pushing to the upside doing this bull flag. He wants to break this top. Adjust. They're doing it slowly, letting everybody bleed. They're letting everybody bleed in that area. Nope. Not playing out my way today for sure. Gotta switch my hat. I gotta switch on a pullback. I gotta switch my hats. Take a stop loss and buy. Oof. What was that about? Let's see if I'm gonna be saved by the bell. I doubt it. I don't know. Come on. Some crazy volatility is kicking in somehow. I don't trust it. What is the market doing? Sellers kicking in? I don't think so. It's only 10:20, familia. 10:20. We still have a long way to go. And probably this crazy move to the downside will happen in the afternoon. I mean, I don't know. That's the beauty of trading with a small contract. You can hold these positions as long as and let the market flow. It will at some point come back to you. I'm trying to scalp the market. That's what I'm trying to read what the market is doing. I could have closed this transaction long ago and recovered right away, but I'm letting the market flow and trust what I understand that the market can do. But I have to be really careful because, you know, the market could continue pushing to the upside and leave me behind. So I need to know my limits, like where I can close, how much I can hold this position for. Okay, so I think it's back into an area. I'm in profits actually from what I earned today. It was 180, so I'm only a few bucks. Ugh, back into the negative. But I could close this transaction and still be in profit and switch my hand. When it's this here is a back into the green, I might consider that. Buyers are in this zone here. I see what you're doing. Buyers are here. Very clearly. Buyers are here. And those are the buyers that are. See the rejection that this candle gave us? Buyers are here. So, okay. Buyers are here. Should have closed it there. And switch my hand. Okay. It's actually doing in the much lower time frame. It is doing a flat. If you can go into like the 30-second time frame, which I'm looking at also on my other screen, I'm at a much lower time frame. I can see like the crazy behavior of a flat correction up there. So this could be a bull flag. So I'm gonna switch my hats if it comes down again on the pullback. Switch my hat. Totally fine. Totally fine. Because this is gonna crack. This is gonna be broken to the upside. Listen to me. It's gonna be broken to the upside. Yikes! Come on. Wait a minute. Oh. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, NASDAQ, do something for us. There you go, continuation pattern to the upside. It's gonna go up. Okay. So Brady breaking this here. I'm gonna get out. It's if it breaks this highest point, I'm out of that trade. I'm taking a negative on that. Taking it now. It's totally fine, familia. Totally fine. Wow, it's really holding it. I'm tunnel focus into this trade. What are they doing? Don't. Are you serious? They're coming back in? No. Think this move can happen in the afternoon. It's gonna be an $800 loss if I close this transaction now. Minus 180, so yeah. Might consider closing this. Literally like cliffhanging on this trade. Are you serious? I'm literally cliffhanging on this trade. That is so crazy. That is so crazy. He's going back in. Don't do that. If it's gonna go to that metal fair value gap, maybe. I think it's gonna continue pushing to the upside and then finally falling in the afternoon. Finally falling in the afternoon. But I can have the option of closing the transaction right now, take a stop. But you basically in the stop loss, you're freezing the account of losing more. Because I can hold this position all the way to the afternoon, but what's the point? You know what I mean? I can freeze it, and then when I see the move that I know that is going to happen, then jump on it and probably recover in the afternoon. But if I keep leaving this transaction open, if I leave it open, this can't do anything. All these engineer moves that are out there literally to kill accounts. I'm managing this account with one contract, and I'm still under my daily risk for any particular trade. So imagine this: if I lose this trade, I'm still on top for the week, and it's only Tuesday because yesterday was extremely profitable for me. So I'm risking part of what I earned yesterday. That's how it works. So I have the day of tomorrow, the day of also Thursday, and not Friday. But if things don't go well this week, I can trade Friday again. I think this thing is gonna go to the upside hard. It's right now. It just broke this pattern here, and anything can happen. Like, look, it's literally flat right now. That's what it's called, a flat. Oh my God, look at that. And selling hard. That's what it's called, a flat. And I'm saying a flat in the much low. I'm looking at also the screen on the 30-second time frame. Like it is very crazy what's happening there. But if you can read the market, it's the same thing. It is a flat in there. So, okay. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm seeing here. This is what I'm seeing right now. And EMAs are really good for this. Moving averages are really good. My God. If this thing fall, oh, NAS, you know, sometimes are good, sometimes are not good. Okay, this a little wedge. NAS is negotiating with sellers. Hey, should we go down? Hey, should we go up? Is it gonna go up? Is it gonna go down? Is it gonna go up? It's gonna go higher slowly, but then it's gonna just wipe out everyone. That's the beauty of trading with the small contracts. If I was trading this even with like 5 contracts, I wouldn't be able to hold that position, even in a 150K account. Like, it is bad, bad, because I am honestly, like, I got in down here. I got in down here with $184 profit in my first trades, and right now I actually got a little bit of a profit when it came down here. So if it goes back in there into this area, I'm probably gonna kick it out. I could kick it out now and be okay, and still be okay. But it's playing with my feelings. Come on, NAS. I'll be shocked if this thing just go like, bam. That will literally get me under the bus, like get me out of being, oh my God, this is crazy. Two things. Volatility is dying right now, and buyers are being not so aggressive. If buyers don't keep it up, sellers will. It's 10:35. If buyers don't keep it up, sellers will kick in. I'm telling you. Giving a better opportunity for buyers to buy. But the one thing that we have to pay attention, it is to the stocks such as Nvidia. Look what Nvidia is doing. Oh, Nvidia is the one who did this rally. Let's see, Google. Google is so low. Why is the market then pushing so up? Nvidia, Microsoft, App. Oh, Nvidia. So Nvidia. Oh, Meta. Nvidia, Tesla. No. So Nvidia is the one who was doing this big push. Gotcha. Gotcha, my friend. So Nvidia. There you go, familia. Nvidia. And the market is pushing down almost into the point that I can close this transaction and be okay. It's still on top for the day. Not by a lot, but it's still on top. If it goes down here, I'll be in profits and breaking even around here. My God, are you serious? It's slowly coming down. Slowly coming down. But the good thing about this, familia, is the fact that you guys can see the benefits of trading with a small account, with a small contracts. If I was trading this with a large contract, I wouldn't be able to hold this position for so long. And I am reading this market up and down, left and right. When this market was up here, I was literally with my finger on the mouse to close it early. Now it's there. I could close it there. Should I? It's coming back up. Let's see if it's a retest or not. Okay. I need to adjust this thing to what the market is telling me. If it does create another higher high, I'm out. If it does create another higher high, I'm out. Come on. You guys see the channel, right? You guys are seeing it. I'm drawing it with you guys here. So basically the price is doing this. Boom, 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 boom. If it breaks this point, I'll be in profits. Elliott waves correction. Elliott waves. Let's see if Fibonacci retracement. It did go to the 61%, which is a perfect Elliott wave to the downside. Perfect Elliott wave to the downside. Oh my God! If this is an Elliott wave 3 going down. Oh my God! I cannot believe all this. Oh my goodness. Trading with one contract on a 150K account. He went to the 61% of that Elliott wave, 61% Elliott wave 2. That's his highest point. 61% right there. So this could be an Elliott wave 3 pushing the market down. Okay, familia. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. It's holding it. It's holding it. It's holding it. I could get out and be in profits right now. Well, should I? I don't care. It's holding it. I am in profit right now for the day. It's holding it. Wow, 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 wow. Are you serious? That was too good to be true. Too good to be true. Oh man, I was in profit for the day. Ooh. I am in profit for the day. Come on, come on, come on. Show me the money. 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 Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. I look like a fly going like this. Money, 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 money. Show me the money. Not down. No go. Oh, down, 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 down. Oh man. I'm playing with you guys, but I should have closed it there because I was in profit for the day. I was in a minus for the transaction, but it's still positive for the day. By 60 bucks, but I'm not doing anything because I see like right now it's a bearish momentum. My concern that is not falling as it should right away. For the rest of the day, it could play out pretty good. We still have the afternoon session. It's only 10:43 for me. Like, it's so early into this. But the price can do and go anywhere from here. Okay, back in the game. So show me the money, money, money. Show me the money, money, money. Hey, hey, yes, yes, yes. Now I am definitely profit. Should I close it? Should I close it? Write it in the chat, familia. Write it in the chat. Write it in the chat. You guys tell me, what should I do? Close it or keep it? Close it or let it? Literally, familia, I was like cliffhanging on that transaction. Wow, 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 wow. Now I'm in profits. Whoa. Whoa. Are you serious? Oh my goodness. I came out of the under the bus. No way. No way. No way, Jose. Come on. Are you for real? I came from under the bus on that transaction. Wow. 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 Oh man. This Familia, what's up? I told you, you gotta trust your transactions. Literally, I am in profit right now, deep in profit. This is insane. Cannot believe my eyes. What a day, familia. Ah, there you go. Wow. Well, wave 3 was there, eh? Close at 130%. Keep it, don't hit the home run. I am trading with one contract. This thing is, I'm in profits. Like, I am in profits right now. It looks like well, we measured it was an Elliott wave 2 at the top, Elliott wave 3 right now, coming down. It's pretty good. You know what really why I'm like so in shock? Because for my risk, I was literally like $20-$30 away from closing this transaction when it went all the way up there. Josh, I'm listening to you, brother. Still holding it. I can't close it now, but still be in profits for the day. But it's not good what I see here. It could be another wave 4 now, pushing the market up. Mhm. This drop was significant low. It means that it can go. Oh, there's a fair value gap on the bottom here. It could go back up. It could go back inside this thing. I think it will. I honestly, I think it might just go up back in there. Mhm. If it's doing a bear flag, bear flag right there. I honestly think it's gonna go back up, like inside and get up there. Yeah, I'm gonna be closing it down on a pullback. It's probably gonna go close to the EMA here and then pull back down. Oh no, probably not. That's NASDAQ for you, my friends. I'm looking for that pullback, that drastic pullback, and then get out. Oof, for one contract, that's a lot of drama for one day. Very dramatic day for just one contract. Yeah, here he comes. More or less. I believe it's gonna go higher. It's gonna go back into at least this area here. Just engaging people to sell, but it's not the way it works, because if they're actually selling, it will be dropping, right? But it's not. They're putting pending orders in areas where the market is going to move, and then retail traders are the one who are putting those market execution orders that are very small. But the big sharks, the big institutions are putting in areas their pending orders. That is a bear flag right there. So the bear flags will be a engulfing candle, engulfing the last tree that will give you the move. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna tell you when I'm gonna be out. If it breaks this yellow line here, I'm up. In profit, like deep in profits. That is a bear flag, as I said. It's a bear flag. It is a bear flag, bear flag, bear flag. There you go. There you go. And I'm out. I'm out and in profits. Yes, yes. Yes. It played out perfectly. Holy moly, that was insane. Insane, familia. Insane. Insane, familia. I got out of the. Oh my god. I should have just held it there. Look at that. It's actually dropping more. So there would have been deep in profit. Like deep one contract for me. I only took one contract. Wow. 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 This trade took the living dog doo-doo out of me today. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. What a trade. I put in here like absolutely like every single little thing I know about trading. Every single little thing. So imagine if this was difficult for me, imagine for other people that are learning this. It's extremely technical. I'm telling you, it was extremely technical what the market was doing. Going now into the bigger spectrum of things, and just to play out, to show you how I got into this trade. Remember that I was waiting for the market to come to me here from the bottom to the top. My entry was up here, right? I said, if he breaks this yellow line, right, I will be now in profits. A little bit, not so much. But the problem here was that the momentum was extremely strong to the upside. It went too hard to the upside, clearing everybody out of the way. I knew my limits. I told you guys before I even got in here, I knew exactly what will be my game plan in terms of risk, in terms of where I was going to get in, when I was going to get out. So my stop loss, familia, I'm gonna show you guys. My stop loss was up here, right? I was literally like $25, $30 away from closing that transaction. That's how close to the edge it went on my stop loss. And it didn't. It didn't. The price literally played out. Even look, honestly, I got out here while I was in profit now on my transaction. But look, if I left that transaction played out, I would have been deep in profit. Like extremely deep in profits. And what I want you guys to pay attention mainly is what I keep repeating myself so much, even at the beginning of this trade. Trade with a small contract, one contract, and always remember that the price is going to repeat itself over the same area several times before anything. So even if you take a bad trade, the price will come back to you at some point. Why I had a stop loss on this? Because I understood that if the price broke this point here, it could have continued pushing a little bit higher. So instead of me being on a negative 800, negative 700 bucks, I could have been a negative 1500. Why? You know what I mean? Why would I put so much risk into a trade, into one single trade? I could have closed it minus 800 bucks, whatever. Wait for the market to go to the highest point and sell there, and then both recover all that and profits. But I had a game plan before going in, a game plan to get out as well. So I'm showing you guys and explaining to you guys my mindset on this trade, how I manage this trade. Before I got in, I told you guys how many contracts I can put into this trade. One contract, no more. On a 150k account, it's a chicken scratch. So I had to let the market flow, let the market do what it's supposed to do. All right. And with the help of our indicators here, we can visualize and understand when the market is overbought, when it's oversold, understand when the market is going to come to a point, and then buyers or sellers will kick in. All right. So it turned out to be a positive thing, but I was literally on the edge of closing that transaction, on the edge. And I totally would be fine with this. If I close that transaction and I said losing 800 bucks on this, yesterday it was very profitable for me. It would be fine, you know. To lose, have a negative day on any transaction, you know what is wrong? To not have a stop loss, to not have a mental stop loss, to let that transaction drain your account completely. Okay, so all I'm telling you guys is understand what you guys are doing, understand your risk, understand your accounts, understand all of that stuff before you sit here, and then execute your trade. If you don't do that, you're gonna be guessing, you're gonna be like doing so many things in your mind, and I don't think it's fair for you guys to do that. So I closed up the day with a 236 bucks on a 150k account. It's nothing, but it's something. Again, with multipliers, it add up to a lot more in my case. I'm talking about a single account, $236 in profits from 9 a.m. to almost 11. That's 2 hours. So think about it. If you're doing Uber, if you're delivering pizza, if you're doing all these odd jobs, 200 bucks a day, is that a good thing or a bad thing? And you have to consider, like, if you're doing any of those side jobs, you're working 4 to 6 to 8 hours. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? So totally worth it for me. I think is okay to spend your time learning something that you can do from your computer, from the comfort of your computer, when you don't have to get out. And if you are in Canada or any cold area in the world, you don't have to go and freeze your rear to do that. But anyways, that's how the trade played out. I explained to you guys my mindset as a trader. Take as much as you want, or as much as you can from it. Apply your own thing. Share it with people what you guys are experiencing. Share it. Don't keep it for yourself. Share it We can learn from your mistake. You can learn from my mistake. Okay? That's what the community is all about. All right. So anyways, familia, it's been a while now. I gotta go and do other stuff here with the family. I want to walk out a little bit and have some breakfast. So anyways, familia, take care. Have yourself a wonderful rest of the day. God bless everyone.